my name's Sofie Jaffe. Welcome to my kitchen. I have a 5- and 7-year-old little boy. I have a little girl on the way. It's kind of crazy in here and chaotic, but it's full of so much love. And a lot of that love is surrounded around eating. So I have really easy go-to recipes that I want to share with you, and each take 5 minutes or less. So let's get started. Mornings around here are pretty busy, so I want to teach you this really easy, wholesome recipe made with quinoa. To get started, add your hot water to the quinoa. Wait 5 minutes, and then you add macadamia nut oil from Ellendale Foods, Now Foods monk fruit, almond milk, some toppings, coconut shreds, golden berries. We also have cardamom, cinnamon, and bee pollen. Super simple to put together, tastes delicious, and the kids love mixing up their favorite toppings. Dinners are so important. You want to make sure they're easy, but also nutritious and filling. This is a really delicious, yummy stir fry. First thing you want to do is chop all your vegetables, and then add your coconut-infused garlic from Ellendale to the pan. Allow that to warm up, and then add your vegetables. Next, you want to take your quinoa cup and add boiling water to it, and then you can add that to the stir fry. Mix it all up, add any other seasonings you like, and voila. And here it is. Beautiful quinoa bowl for breakfast, savory, delicious, a little bit of sweet, and then this amazing veggie stir fry. Filled with quinoa, it'll fill you up, but it's super nutritious, colorful, and yummy in 5 minutes or less.